Hi, do you have any idea what's going on inside our heart? Every day our heart beats 100,000 times, sending 2,000 gallons of blood surging through our body. Your heart is keeping the blood flowing through 60,000 miles of blood vessel that feed your organ and tissue. Food, water, and oxygen are essential of exiting human's life. Three major structures are the heart, blood vessel, and blood. The heart pumps the blood in order to move nutrients through the blood vessel, to nourish and remove the metabolic waste from the body. Blood vessel involve artery, vein, capillaries to keep our blood flowing in our body. The heart is covered by something called the pericardium, which is made of dense connective tissue that protects the heart and maintains the position. The heart sits in the mediastinum. The heart sits within the medial cavity of the thorax, known as the mediastinum. Serves simply as a pump. The heart participates in two circuits. Blood enters the right side of the heart and is sent to the lungs where it's become oxygenated. All right. So in human life, we have four chambers of the heart, which are the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. All right. So for the two circuits are two receiving chambers in the heart where the cycle finish, those being the right atrium and the left atrium. Okay. The two main pumping chambers, those being the right ventricle and the left ventricle. These are the main pumping chamber. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about aorta. Aorta is the main artery that carries blood away from your heart to the rest of your body. The blood leaves the heart through the aortic valve, then it travels through the aorta. We have the left pulmonary artery, which supplies the left lung. And then, of course, for the right pulmonary artery, right here, it supplies the right lung. Okay. And then we have for the pulmonary trunk, another name for it is the pulmonary artery, which is a vessel that emerges from the heart. It's divided into left and right. All right. So left and the right. I'm sorry, right and the left. Okay. Which carry blood with relatively low oxygen content and high carbon dioxide content into the lung. And then, turn around so you can see our heart, how it looks like. So the heart is about our fifth side. It's no bigger. All right. So let's go ahead and turn around a little bit here. Let's go ahead and talk about the superior vena cava. What is it and what it does? So for the superior vena cava is delivery bloods from upper parts of the body And of course, we're going to have the inferior vena cava, which deliver blood from the lower parts of the body. And the coronary sinus collects blood draining from the myocardium. For the left atrium, there are 4 entryway. There are the pulmonary veins, which deliver blood from the lung back to the heart. Okay. Let's go here. Let's go ahead and talk about the, let me see. Oops. Let me just go. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and talk about the circumflex branch of the left coronary artery, what it is. Okay. So right there. So for the circumflex, it's an artery of the heart, or for the short term, is called LCX. All right. And then we have the great cardiac vein. It's a large blood vessel found on the artery surface of the heart. All right. And then the left anterior descending the left. Okay. So this one here is the left anterior descending coronary artery. Okay. It supplies blood to the left side of the heart. And then for the right, it's the supply blood on the right side of the heart. All right. And then we have down here, it's called the apex of the heart. It's the lowest superficial parts of the body. All right. So let's quickly go over the mitral valve real quick. So we have the mitral valve right here. Okay. It's keep blood flowing in the right direction. Okay. And then this one right here, chordae tendineae, it's referred as the heartstring. It helps holding the arterioventricular valve in place while the heart is pumping blood. All right. And then we talk about aortic valve pretty much already, but again, it helps keeps blood flowing in the correct direction through the heart. And then we have tricuspid valve right here. It's allowed blood flowing into the heart from the body to flow to the right ventricle, where it pumps to the lungs for oxygen. Okay. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about pylori muscle, because we're running out of time here. It is the project like nipples into the cavities of the ventricle. All right, thank you so much.